A catastrophic tsunami strikes without warning. Towering waves crash into the city, swallowing everything in their path. Streets become rivers, and buildings tremble under the force of nature. Vehicles, homes, and lives are tossed like toys in this unstoppable force. The sheer power of water is unimaginable. Brave rescuers fight against time to save those trapped in the chaos. Every second counts. The aftermath is devastating. Entire communities wiped out, leaving only heartbreak and destruction behind. But in the face of disaster, humanity unites, rebuilding stronger than before.